Hey guys, welcome to my first What I Eat in a Day. I am going to be super basic and tell you what basically every other YouTuber tells you, but this is the honest truth, guys. I start every single morning with a liter of warm lemon water. I do this every single day religiously, so I could not leave it out. I had to show this clip. Basically, all I'm doing is I'm boiling some water. I pour it into a 1 liter mason jar. I roll out a lemon to get the juices flowing, and then I chop the lemon, and I use this juicer machine, and basically what it does is it helps me separate the pulp and the seeds of the lemon from the juice. And I love it because it actually does such a great job that it leaves the peel completely dry by the time you're done with it. So you're basically getting all of the juice, which, girl, I better be getting all of the juice. You know how expensive organic lemons are? Like, come on. No, I'm not going to pay to not get all the juice. So now some people, they'll do half a lemon or a quarter of a lemon. Because I've been doing this for so long, I actually do a full lemon. But you can feel free to do as much as you want. The most important thing is that you're just getting the lemon water. I'm just going to top up the mason jar with more water to fill it up to the top. Then I add in the lemon juice and I add in a metal straw because plastic is the devil. You should not be using it. And then that's what I do. I just drink this whole liter and I don't have anything else until this is done. I literally just sit there and drink this. So for those of you who don't follow me on Snapchat, you might not know this, but I did decide to go vegan. I started January 10th. Brandon and I are going to Chicago with my sister and her husband April 7th to 10th this year. And I decided that up until we go to Chicago, I wanted to be vegan. Mainly decided to become vegan just because we were eating so incredibly bad. Ever since Brandon and I got married, I've talked about this on my channel so many times that I just put on a ton of weight. I put on, I think, almost close to 60 or 70 pounds since we got married, and I did it in a really short amount of time, in like a year. The first year we were married, I put on all this weight, and I just realized that I was getting really unhealthy, and I just kind of needed to cleanse my body and just start and do like a refresh. So I thought, okay, 3 months of being vegan should be good enough and should help me to get back into it, and then I can slowly start incorporating like meat and dairy if I decide that I'm going to start eating dairy again. So that's the whole reason why I decided to go vegan. I just really wanted to do something dramatic and a drastic change to help me get back to like just optimal, not only weight, but also just optimal health. I was just really unhealthy, and I don't want this What I Eat in a Day to become like a whole vegan vlog. So if you guys want to see something about like a whole vegan video, you can just let me know in the comment section down below. But basically that's the reason why I'm vegan, and that's why these What I Ate in a Days are going to be all about vegan life. It's like 11 a.m. and I am in Brandon's car in the underground parking of my church. We just got to church. We're actually really late and I should be in service, but I need to drink my smoothie because I'm starving and all I've had so far was my lemon water. So last night what I did was I blended up my smoothie, and I usually blend up all my smoothies the night before and leave them in the fridge so that when I go to grab them in the morning, they're already cold and they're always ready for me, especially because mornings are so hectic for me and I just need something that I can grab and go. So in this smoothie right here, I have a clip of me making it last night. Basically, I threw in whatever vegetables I had in my fridge. There's like a base set of vegetables I always use. Like I always use lemon, green apple, ginger, cilantro, spinach, kale, celery. Those are like my go-tos. But I also had some collard greens and I had some bok choy and I had some parsley. So I threw that in as well yesterday as like an added bonus in here. I drink this smoothie every single day. If you guys follow me on Snapchat, you will see I have one of these smoothies every single day. It's like my green smoothie. It's literally salad in a jar. I won't eat salad. I hate salad, and it makes it very difficult when you hate salad to be vegan because it's like, what else are you gonna eat? So that's why I think these What I Eat in Days will be really interesting for you guys to see, and it's like a vlog for me to keep up with what I'm eating throughout my meal plan, trying to be vegan, because I hate salad and I hate raw vegetables. So for my personal opinion, I would rather drink my vegetables than eat them because I know I'm never ever gonna eat freaking celery. Like, ew, that's disgusting. I just rather drink it and get it over with. So in the morning, I always start my mornings off with like a salad and a smoothie. Lots of greens. Ew. Ugh.
Why don't you make it so taste nice?
Because I do it for health, not for taste.
But you should do it for both. It's just to get my salad. Like, literally, I just drink it and I'm like, okay, just have to get through this. And then I know I've had celery, cucumber, and all this stuff that I wouldn't eat. I know that I have it in my body. So I'm like, good to go. I don't feel so guilty throughout the rest of the day. But yeah, so I'm just going to drink this smoothie. And usually they're not horrible. It depends on how much greens I put into it. And yesterday I wanted to get rid of the produce in my fridge, so that's why I threw a lot of greens in there. Like, I don't usually add that many greens, but I did it because I wanted to get rid of everything and make sure it didn't go bad. So I'm going to power through and I'm going to drink this smoothie. And it's going to give me beautiful skin and beautiful hair, and it's going to be worth it. Okay?
For lunch, we went to this restaurant at Bayview Village Mall in Toronto. It's called Tabbouleh, and it is the best Middle Eastern food, guys, honestly. We did a family lunch because we were celebrating my father-in-law's birthday, and this is the menu. This is what it looks like. Usually when I come, I always get like the lamb or the shrimp, but obviously because I'm vegan, I had to do a little bit different this time. For appetizer, we got this flash fried cauliflower with tahini and parsley on top. It was so delicious. You ate it with this pita bread, and it literally was probably the best part of the meal. Then for a drink, I got this Moroccan mint tea in this cute little glass, and they use real tea leaves. I love the tea at Tabbouleh. For my actual lunch, I got falafel balls with roasted vegetables, and then it's served over this rice with some lentils in it, and it also comes with a side of tahini for dipping. It was so, so good. So my mom got this vegan flatbread, and she had some grilled eggplant because she was deciding to eat healthy with me. And this is Brandon's meal. This is the lamb with the chicken broth, rice, and roasted vegetables. This is what I usually get, but couldn't get this time, but it's my fave. So this is just a shot of the inside of the restaurant. Oh, that's my mom and my mother-in-law and my father-in-law. Happy birthday, Dad.
I drink about 3 liters of water a day, 2 to 3 liters of water a day. So this little container here, it holds 1.2 liters of water. I usually drink like 2 to 3 of these. And then plus, you guys saw already, I had my lemon water, that's 1 liter. So I drink around 2 to 3 liters of water a day, and I make sure that I always do this no matter if I'm eating or not. It really fills you up. The only downside is you are constantly going to the bathroom, like legit constantly going to the bathroom.
For dinner, we headed to my dad's house because it was his birthday on January 21st. So I had this vegetable fried rice with no egg in it. And then I had roti. If you're Tamil or, you have this in your culture, you know what's up. Everyone else had meat. So there's some mutton curry, some chili fish, some egg fried rice, all of that good stuff that I could not eat. But whatever, the roti and the fried rice was still very, very good. I hope you guys enjoyed my video. Don't you ever forget you are so beautiful. Bye, guys.